Today we are going to show the preamble for UPSC CSE prelims, and so let's start. A preamble is based on the objective resolution moved by the Nehru. Okay, and what is the source of preamble? Source of preamble is UN Charter and Constitution of America. Very provisions of UN Charter and Constitution of America is constituted in preamble. So keep in mind that preamble have no existence independent of other part of the constitution. Okay. In Berubari Union case, Supreme Court says that preamble is not a part of constitution, but in LIC case, Supreme Court says that preamble is a part of constitution. Okay. preamble के बारे में बहुत सारे कोट्स हैं. It is said that preamble is important to understand the mind of the maker. Okay, or it is the synopsis of the constitution or identity card of the constitution. Constitution derive the authority from people of India. It is said by preamble. Okay, जैसे there was a word we the people of India. It means Constitution derived the authority from people of India. There are many words which are written in preamble, such as socialist. Socialist means production mutually owned by the society, not all by the government. Okay, this indicates the mixed kind of socialism or democratic socialism to minimize the inequality. Each socialism is a basic structure in India. Then no, welfare state is a basic structure, but socialist state is a socialism is a not a basic structure in India. Okay, there is a second word is secular. Secular means in Indian context, a state have no religion of own. Okay, religion have no significance while enjoying the right by people, or no public office denied to anyone on the basis of religion. Okay, or they keep in mind that tax money can be used to promote all religion, not a particular religion. Okay, there is a third word, republic. Republic means elected head. It means there is no privileged section in the society. Sorry for my pronunciation. Sovereignty lies with everyone. Okay. Now, fourth is democratic. Democratic government means limited government, welfareism government. Okay, keep limited government is a keyword. Now, justice. There are three kind of justice: social, economic, and political justice. Okay. Fourth is fifth होगा. Fifth is liberty. Liberty means opportunity to develop oneself fully, and this is the most appropriate definition, that liberty means one's opportunity to develop oneself fully. Although there are other definition also, that absence of uncertainty, absence of unnecessary restrictions, or presence of necessary restrictions, but opportunity to develop oneself fully is the most appropriate definition. Okay. And now the next word is fraternity. Fraternity means a reservation promotes fraternity, like that, brotherhood. So this is your preamble, and yeah, thank you.